Guys, may we cook this jollof rice together. So may I show you how I started make this delicious jollof rice. So I dey wash my meat for you, I dey wash turkey for you. Now I dey put the seasoning and everything for inside the turkey. I dey put the curry, I put salt, and now I dey put onions. Now I dey put the maggi for inside. Then after that one, I cover the pot. I say, okay, I can blend some tomatoes and some tatashe for inside. So now I dey wash the fresh pepper and the tatashe. I don't know what they call tatashe for English. I bet if you know what they call tatashe for English, let me put them for comment section. Because the year where I been one star school, now our headmaster, now he buy. So me not too vex like that. So after I don't blend the tatashe, so I want boil am so that it go down, it go steam go down. Now I dey remove the meat. How una take dey like una turkey? Una dey like am fry one or una dey use oven take dey grill am? So now I dey fry the tomatoes. Then I dey put this one and tomatoes so that it go steam well. I don't put am for inside this red onions. You know, say if you want make your stew good, sweet, you need to use red onions, especially if you dey stay for Europe. Now white onions now we dey see most. So now I dey fry the tomatoes, fry everything together. Then I dey turn am now. Then later if I turn am finish now, I will cover am. Then later I'll come put the meat water. Now I dey add salt and some maggi for inside so that it go make am sweet. Then later I'll come add water of the meat, put for inside so that everything, all the mede, you understand, everything go come sweet together. Now I don already put the water. Now I dey turn the rice. I dey turn, no sorry, no be the rice. I dey turn the stew. Now I dey wash the rice. So if I wash the rice finish, now I dey turn the turkey where I put for oven. So now oven I want to do the turkey today. I don't fry am. Not be every day they say they eat fry. So I don't put her for oven. And now they pour the rice, put for inside the stew. Then after I put the rice finish, I can't try turn her, not still to turn her, so that make the rice not break. I can't add water join her. Then I can't use this foil paper take cover her so that all of them go steam. See the outcome of the turkey where I put for oven. See the way it tastes fresh, like today bread. So now the rice done ready. Now so the rice reach, my people. Now so the rice reach. See you see the way the rice come look, very psychedelic, very delicious, very demure. See the way the rice look like, guys. This rice now very good party jollof rice where you no go see